see-through.
That is mad.
You as well, Harry.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're at Central Phuket and today we're going to the aquarium. We've been meaning to go for a while and today is the day.
Today is finally the day.
We've got a lot of feeding times to look at, and it's supposed to be the biggest one in Thailand.
It is indeed, yeah.
Which is sick. So
can't wait.
the price of the aquarium is about £15 each, but I actually managed to find it cheaper. So we actually booked it at a company called Klook.com, yeah, and then you get a little voucher. Essentially, and there's.
And you can use the tickets whenever you want, isn't it?
This for these are for 2 months.
2 months.
2 months. And it says you get some other stuff, free spend or something, but we haven't even looked at that.
We will start at 2 p.m. for the giant and for the feeding.
Okay.
Okay. Just had our photo taken at the entrance, which is pretty cool, isn't it?
And then at the end you can use this little thing and you get to claim them back.
Yeah, nice. So we're going to start with a canopy walk. Wow.
Never noticed it's here, would you?
No, that does look like ankle walk, doesn't it?
That's definitely, must definitely be what it's based
Some
on.
sort of like replica. Look, we got some bearded dragons here, guys. Oh, wow. Hello. Python. Wow. Mexican salamander. Oh my god. Are they sharks? Some of them are sharks. So nice. So just at the start, the Amazonian bit, don't you think? Or...
I think so.
Wow, look at this. Oh, there's 2 of them. Potatoes. So this is an alligator gar. They've got a much longer name, but I have no idea how to pronounce it.
Hello.
Hello. Clean the floor, okay. Squishy.
Now we're going on to the river caves.
Cool stingray. What's he called?
Ocelot, river stingray.
Ocelot river stingray. It's a river one. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh my god. See him pop his head out.
I know, isn't this fun?
So cool.
We're going to the Mystic Forest feeding, aren't we?
Time, yeah.
They're pretty cool.
I know.
And
What do
we-
they put in there?
Fish.
Do you think they eat fish?
Yeah.
The fish.
What else are they going to bloody eat?
I don't know.
Now we're getting going, huh? คือปลาช่อนอเมซอนยักษ์ค่ะเป็นดาวรุ่งแม่น้ำอเมซอนค่ะเอาลงไปมาติดตัวไม่ไปตัว
So what did you think of the feeding?
Cool. Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. Those otters were so freaking cute.
Yeah, they're adorable. I think they said it was under renovation, didn't it? So.
Yeah. So next is the penguin feeding. I think we've still got about 20 minutes for that. Oh. Aww.
You as well, Harry.
ดูนี่ขึ้นหนึ่งว่าแคมปิ้งตัวเขาจะเป็นที่ขนาดกลางนะคะโมงที่สูงมากกว่า5
Oh, look at him go! What do you think of the penguins?
Stupidly cute, aren't they?
They are adorable. Their little waddle is so cute. I love how they're staring at us as much as we're staring at them. We just found the Dory and Nemo fish. I don't know if you can see, guys, but look at this shrimp. He's invisible. He's invisible.
Whoa, you see through.
Look at these guys.
See through.
That is mad. Oh, the Nemos are so cute. Stingrays are getting fed.
with white top at the end with the white ถึง 1.5 เมตรและปลาชนิดนี้คือปลากระดินลำพึ่งนะคะ
Think of the stingray feeding.
They're so cool. They
That
probably
big
have
one.
to be fed in their mouth.
I know, yeah, that big one was massive, wasn't
I
he?
know, he appeared out of nowhere.
I know, well,
I was
look-
waiting to see his underbelly.
Underbelly. There's crusty boy.
Oh wow, what's he? It looks like coral.
Looks like a stone.
Oh. There's his mouth. Sea urchins in some, they're like neon.
I know, they're mad, aren't they? Oh, yeah,
They
they
look
like
so
glow.
cool.
It's so funny because I bumped into the wall and then said sorry to myself because I thought I bumped into someone.
But it's the wall.
It was the wall.
Anthony chilling with the big fish.
Large fish, isn't it?
Big boy.
So tricky.
Look how cool they are.
They're all going around in a circle. The life cycle of jellyfish.
That's what, they're eggs.
Yeah, or whatever they start off at, like, yeah.
And then they become all the tiny ones. Moon jellyfish. Wow.
Epic.
I wonder how long it takes in between each, like how old they are, you know?
And that's the aquarium, finito. What did you think?
I loved it.
A really good experience, wasn't it?
Yeah, I saw so many animals I've never seen before.
It's definitely like a few hour like experience as well.
Yeah,
Definitely get a lot of value for your money.
Oh, definitely. There's so many different feeding times and different animals to go and see that yeah, it's just really nice.
And here's
Massive, isn't it?
little shop.
Gift shop. My favourite bit was the turtles.
Yeah, I know you love the turtles,
They
didn't
were
you?
so beautiful.
And that just about wraps this video up, guys.
That is it.
Hope you enjoyed it. We'd definitely recommend if you're in Phuket.
Definitely check it out.
Super worth it. We'll leave a link to where we booked in the description where you get it for a discounted price.
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe if you did enjoy it. And we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.